Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 natural ways to get whiter skin. These methods are safe and effective, and they can help you achieve a brighter, more radiant complexion in just 7 days. Use a natural skin lightener. There are many natural skin lighteners available on the market, and most of them are made with ingredients like kojic acid, alpha hydroxy acids, and vitamin C. These ingredients work to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells, which can help to reveal a brighter, more even complexion. Eat a healthy diet. What you eat can have a big impact on the health of your skin. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help to improve the overall health of your skin, and it can also help to brighten your complexion. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and it's also important for healthy skin. Water helps to flush toxins out of the body, and it can also help to keep your skin looking plump and hydrated. Get enough sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body doesn't have a chance to repair itself, and this can lead to dull, tired-looking skin. Aim for 8 hours of sleep each night to help keep your skin looking its best. Avoid sun exposure. The sun's ultraviolet rays can damage your skin and make it look older. If you want to keep your skin looking young and radiant, it's important to avoid sun exposure as much as possible. When you do go outside, be sure to wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating your skin helps to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter, more even complexion. You can exfoliate your skin with a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant. Use a toner. A toner can help to close up your pores and remove any excess oil or dirt. This can help to prevent breakouts and keep your skin looking its best. Thanks for